What's up, everyone? Well, just about 500 miles later, and we've got the Nitro 513 gears all broken in. Yeah, I'm super excited with the gears. It's quite amazing, the improvements. We're going in now to do a 500-mile service. Let's jump back to the install. I want to show you how in-depth this install is and how awesome Boyd and the guys at Nichols Auto Fab did. So yeah, let's jump back a couple weeks ago to when we got the gears installed. After traveling the better part of last year out of a full-size diesel, I decided to take on the challenge of building my own ultimate adventure vehicle. A rig I can live comfortably out of full-time, hit some sweet jumps, and crawl big rocks. Brought to you in part by Warn Industries, Icon Vehicle Dynamics, Hellwig Products, Nitro Tire, Max Trax, Magnaflow, Dometic, Nichols Auto Fab, Pack Racks, Nitro Gear and Axle, Max Oak, 6-7 Designs, and coming soon, a home on wheels to make it the first ever Mars expedition vehicle.
We're going to give it 5,000ths more pinion depth.
Okay.
Backlash was at the top of the specs. The pattern's not exactly what I want. Let's bring it out a little bit. Make it perfect.
Sounds good to me. You're the expert. It's really crazy to see how in-depth of a job the gears are. I mean, you have to take the entire axle apart to get this ring and pinion swapped. Pretty crazy.
So that is 61 up to 68.
Boyd just got the front diff in there. What's its spec say about it, Boyd?
6 to 10 thousandths. We got 7 thousandths. Manufacturer prefers them a little tighter, so I like the 7 thousandths.
So that's good, right?
That's very good.
We're glad to have you here, Boyd. Good to go. Alrighty. Well, we just got the gears done. Taking her on her first little... She feels smoother for some reason. That's weird. First little run skis. Oh, yep. Wow. Well, that's crazy. Here, just keep.
It just feels like
we just shifted through like all like 3 gears.
Is it like stock?
Yeah, it feels like stock again.
Yeah.
Which is what it should feel like.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the goal of regearing something is, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and we're still breaking in the gears, so we're not really gonna get on it hard at all for a little while, but I've given it like this much gas, like the whole time. Like before you had to really get into it more and it was like more muddy. This is pretty crazy though. But it's funny because it's like, wow, crazy, but it doesn't, it feels like it should. You know, it's not like a V8 swap where you're like, ah! It feels fantastic. This truck drives so much better than it did stock with the re-gear and the big tires and the icons. It's crazy. Well,
No, you know, I think it goes.
we're doing our first heat cycle here. Fife's stealing all my water. If anyone dies, it's gonna be me. You're gonna have drinking all my water. I can't believe.
Too, though.
No, we'll be good.
We'll be guys same time. Same time.
My mouth is a little dry though, I need a little. So we're doing heat cycles. We just got the Nitro gear, 513 gears in at Nichols Auto Fab, right, Five?
It was awesome.
It was Auto Fab awesome. And we've got to break them in now. And Nitro Gears recommends going 20 miles, no towing, no 4x4, and keeping it under 65 miles an hour. All those things are tough for me. You guys know me. Got to do, this is 4 heat cycles, I believe it said, 20 miles each. And it's basically got to be to the point where the rear axle cools down enough to where you can have your hand on it for 5 to 10 seconds. So I just put my hand on it for about 3 seconds. Ow, it was hot. So let's go check it now and see. Ow!
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ah, it's still pretty hot, dude. All right, test number 3. 25 or so minutes later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ow! Oh,
Good, let's go.
I did 5, but dude, it hurt. Well, it's pretty hot.
Yeah, you held it on there for 5 seconds though.
I did. That's true.
So it's not like a stove.
That's true. At first I did for 3 seconds and
And
it
you
was like,
were
ah.
screaming the first time.
Good point. All right, we're good for another 20 miles to Bloody Basin. So listen, shift it again. We are going up a hill and I don't want to get on it too much to break these gears in nice. So be mindful of that. I'm going as slow as possible, honestly. And it's still just bap, 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 up a hill. Now at 45, 50, phenomenal. Before it would have been all sorts of wrapped out. And it's still in whatever gear because we're going up the hill, but it'll shift right now. There you go. And yeah, just effortless, honestly. Really, really love this gear ratio. I've realized, yeah, there it is. I've realized that it hasn't been wrapped out. Have you heard this thing? So on the way here, let's compare. We didn't film much on the, we didn't film at all on the way here, I don't think.
We were hitting like 5,000.
Sorry guys. But,
all the time.
yeah, we were, I mean, I was pinned wide open, just,
Well, it wasn't
with
just
this, or not
cruising,
even
it was
had
even
to.
just like accelerating, trying to pass or something.
Another Jeep Wave. I missed it. Jeep Waves are in full effect now that the Gladiator is in lifted sweet Jeep mode. Oh, Jeep. Maybe there's a Jeep. Gotta keep my eye out. Oh, hey, Jeep. Jeep. Oh, hey, bud. Oh, hey, there you are. Oh, you know you're not, but I'm ready for you. So we're going 60 miles an hour again, tapped out, so we break in the gears nicely. 7th gear up this hill. It was just in 8th and it shifted down to 7th. Just like, you know. We got Bloody Basin coming up here in a mile. And we can get her in some dirt. Oh yeah, let's put the extra miles on dirt. So another 50 miles an hour.
Wow. Well, I sound like Christopher Walken.
Wow.
Wow.
Dude, come on. We're all aired up. We're at 8, which is a good setting for going this fast, but, and it's terrible. I'm shooting into the sun. I'm just so excited about how fast we're going. Oh, I guess this stuff just blows me away. Ooh, look at this. This will be a fun section.
Hell yeah.
Awesome. It's just a fire road ripper.
Oh, I can't see the screen anymore.
Oh, it turned.
Just gonna have to guess.
I haven't slid it like that aired up yet. Oh, you're pointing. That corner was so cool. If we had pictures of that corner, it would have been like, yeah. That was insane. That was actually the slip slideyest, fastest corner I've ever railed in the Jeep Gladskis. Now known as the Mobicon, because it's a Rubicon and it's down a mob, as you can see. Can I see though? That's a question. Oh, wow.
And we're live.
Okay. All right, let's do a little reenactment for him, okay?
I said, what's your gas mileage?
Say it like more realistic.
I said, what's your gas mileage, dude? It's got to be better.
No, really. I did not look at the gas mileage yet. I turned this on 40 miles ago, and just to track miles, right? I wasn't even looking at the fuel economy. 17.2 miles per gallon. That's the best fuel economy I've ever got in this truck. Granted, when it was stocked, I never went 60 miles an hour down the highway. I never really tried to get that great of fuel economy. The best I got stocked, May 15, definitely a good 15 stock, 16, but towing a trailer, that went down to 9, 10. Very interested to see what it's like to tow a trailer with this. The fuel economy in itself, so it's like $1,000 for a new set of gears like this. It'll pay for itself in a year if you're gonna do the drive-in that I'm gonna do, for sure. So, is there water down there?
I'm trying to look.
Let's check it out.
And videotape.
Oh, no water, just cows. Sorry, you guys are good. You're good. Chill. All right, at least we got a little bit of shade, eh? Good spot for our 40-mile stop. Wow. Oh, I got a little raindrop. Amazing. Wow, it looks so pretty out here. I can't deny I love these cotton candy skies. Woo! Well, obviously super stoked with the Nitro 513 gears so far. Check out the link below to look a little bit more into Nitro gears, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss the build series coming every Saturday. And we're hitting the road again full time in probably just a couple weeks. So I'm gonna start an entire new series. I'm so stoked to have you along for that ride. So hit the like if you enjoyed this video. The only question is, are you down to mod?